neighborhood a better place for living, we can build place where our neighbors get united by keeping our area clean, safe. Also, we can plan trips with our neighbors, and we should spend most of the time with our neighbors, and we should get united, forgetting caste and creed by building communal harmony and celebrating all religious festivals. We should respect the ones who live in our community. We should never gossip in one's privacy. It ensures a safe and secure atmosphere. If they do so, they would lead a happy life and spread joy across. A park is a place that unites all our neighbors, and all my neighbors gather at the park at evenings to talk and to socialize. Kids play in my park, and the air in the park is very pleasant. And we always gather to play sports like football, badminton in our park. We always enjoy the time that we spend in park. And for emergency cases, we can easily rely on each other, and we have no problems in it. And we always be together, and we don't fight with each other. And we always be together, and a neighbor is a person who stands beside us when we are in trouble and extends all possible helps. And a neighbor is not a person who only shares the sorrow, also equally contribute the moments of happiness with us. And I'm glad that I have a best neighbor, but they always take good care of us. And my parents are good friends with my neighbors. They always have tea parties and dinners. They always. I have many friends in my neighborhood. We always join together to play sports like badminton, football. We always gather at evening. We always be together. And I always spend time with my neighbors. I always like the time that I spend with my neighbors. And I am glad that I have best neighbors. And the world is moving fast. Everyone have their own competition, and there is very less probabilities of knocking door of a neighbor. So I am glad that I have a good neighbor. Only the lucky ones have good neighbors. And I am glad that I have a good neighbor. They take good care of us, and they are very helpful to us. We also return the same. Thank you for giving me this golden opportunity.
Thank you. There are also a few lucky neighbors, like you said. Thank you very much.